My name is Mara and today we are cooking zucchini fritters. Zucchini fritters come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, big ones, deep fried, smaller ones. Today we're making more of an elegant style one, not deep fried. You can use as a breakfast, a lunch or a little canapé. Today we are making them as appetizers. So this is what you will need. It's simple. Green zucchini, some flour, red onion, egg, salt and pepper and some beautiful fresh parsley. So let's start by preparing the zucchini. So I have all my vegetables washed in advance, cut off the end. You can see how fresh that is by the stalk still all lovely and fresh there. And on some paper towels, grate the zucchini. It's on a coarse grater. This is a great way to grate. Get it? A great preparation of zucchini. As you can see, there isn't that much liquid. It's not like a cucumber, but there is still liquid. And what we're going to do is just wrap it up and get the excess water. If you don't do this, the water will come out into your fry pan and you will not have nicely browned fritters. They'll become soggy. So there you can see that some of the water has been absorbed, and let's pop that into our bowl. Next we're going to put in some onion. Got a red onion here. Cut it in half. Make sure you've got it nice and secure on the board and cut it lengthwise. Take off the peel, the outer layer. Okay, so on the flat edge, cut through to the stem end, peel those fingers back, hold it down, knife pointing towards the board, 1, 2, and then we go down, curl the fingers back, and we've got some really lovely finely diced onion. And to make sure that it's even finer, hand above the blade, the other hand on the handle, and back the other way, collect it together. And that is a lovely fine onion. Because remember, whatever you put into your fritter is going to end up in your mouth. And if you've got big bits of onion on the board, in the mix, you're going to have it in your mouth. Just looking at the zucchini and onion, it's a joy to look at. I just love these beautiful things about being in the kitchen. And a tablespoon of fresh parsley leaves, freshly chopped. I don't mind a bit of stem if they're fresh. Bunch it all together and curl those fingers back, and using your rocking motion, again finely diced so that it mixes through the mix. It's too chunky. Okay. And there we have even more beautiful colours for our mix. Looking good. Now we add a tablespoon of flour, slightly rounded. We add 1 egg, and we add a little bit of salt and pepper. I've got some lovely Murray River pink salt here. Pepper. And have another look at it and see how beautiful it is. It's just even a shame to mix it up together. So now we do mix it up together, and not too furiously. We want it to only just blend together. The egg gets broken down, mixes with the flour, with the seasoning, and it doesn't look like there's much there. There's enough here for 8 fritters, and they will hold their shape together with the egg and the flour. Okay, we're ready to cook. Preheat your pan on medium-high. About a tablespoon of oil. I'm using a non-stick pan, which I love to use, but you can use your favourite pan. One that you trust. So, using 2 spoons, we've got about 8 fritters here, and it's about a tablespoon for each one. As you put it down, press it down, neaten up the edges a little bit. Hello, gorgeous. Aren't they beautiful? So colourful and healthy. You can use this concept for other vegetables as well. You could have corn kernels in there, some of your favourite grated vegetables, carrots. I find zucchini lends itself to a lot of like breakfast style flavours, or salmon, egg. So it's sizzling away on medium high. It'll be about 2 minutes on each side. It doesn't take much to cook them through. Be careful because of the egg and flour in there. If it's on really high heat, it will burn. And if it's cooked really high, the onion doesn't get a chance to soften and cook. So medium to medium high heat is ideal. And about 2 minutes on each side. Have a little check every now and then. If you think it's cooking too fast, just turn it down a little bit. It depends on your stove and your pan. I'm just going to have a peek to see how we're going. Yes, it's been 2 minutes. And if you can remember which order you put them down, that'll be the order that you turn them. Beautiful. They've just got a lovely golden brown colour. And now another couple of minutes. You might even want to turn it down just to make sure it's only a medium heat, just to make sure that they cook all the way through. It's been another 2 minutes, so 4 minutes in total. They look beautiful. So take them out onto a cooling rack. Lovely and golden brown. You can eat them straight away, or they're even delicious cold from the fridge the next day. Really lovely. Okay, so to put on top of that, we're going to do a lemon mascarpone. Mascarpone is an Italian style cream cheese. So I'm just going to use maybe a spoonful there. And in there, some lemon zest and some lemon juice. Just a little bit there. And only a few drops of lemon juice. Okay. And a touch of salt and pepper. And we mix together. If you don't want to use lemon, you could also use horseradish in with the cream cheese, which is really nice, or just straight cream cheese with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so there's our mix, our lemon mix. So I've cooled them down and my guests are about to arrive, so I can make them maybe like 20 minutes in advance. Little teaspoon of mascarpone on each one, just slightly indent. There we go. I've got some really lovely smoked salmon here. They're in slices, so cut it in like smaller segments, roll it up, fold the salmon over, give it a bit of height, beautiful. And to finish off, a lovely little sprig of dill on each one. Again, give it a bit of height, a little bit of overlap goes a long way. A bit of freshness and a bit of flavour, a bit of colour. Oh, how lovely they look. My guests are arriving and their zucchini fritters are ready. I hope you enjoy making them. Zucchini fritters with lemon mascarpone and smoked salmon. Where's the champagne? Give me some champagne! Oh, I can't wait for that champagne. Come on! Oh, wow. It's delicious. I really do think that lemon mascarpone with the lemon juice, it just lifts everything and lightens it and freshens it. Enjoy.